Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a Roadhouse blues rock guitar riff. Sounds cool? Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So what are we talking about today? This one here. It's really cool. And so on. The riff is really simple, but what is not simple is how to build up the tension. You know, you have 4 times the first part of the riff and then it goes to the second part. But the main trick of this, I mean, it's really simple, you're gonna see, but the main trick is how to build it up and that it gets pushes and pushes and pushes more. That's what we're going to talk about today. So let's get started. Okay, I switched off the delay, but normally I play this riff with delay because then it pushes even more. And the delay has to be set on the quarter beat of the song. So the riff is really simple. We have A minor, open A string of course, 2nd fret, index, pinky in the 5th. Move it up 2 frets. And then we go in the 5th and pinky in the 9th. So these are the main chords of the first part of the riff. So how shall we play this now? To get the, especially when you want to play it dynamic, you know, if you play with the pick, it sounds cool, but you know, we want to create this tension line. So we start really soft. You put the volume a little bit down on your guitar, either with the pedal or with the volume knob. Put it a little bit down. See the sound change. And now I use chicken pick. Meaning for the bass I use the pick, and for the upper strings I use middle and ring finger. So see, now the sound is different. So, and now the riff goes like this: 1, 2, and 3, 4. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then over the open A string. So that's the main figure: 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and now dead notes to F5, 1st fret, 3rd fret, and to 3rd, 5th. And to move from do those 2 dead notes gives you the time to go down. Okay, so and now the rhythm is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then on 4 and you make the bass note 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. You always stop on 2 and 4. So see, 1, 2, stop on 2, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and stop. Make the dead notes with your attacking hand here. 1, 2, and 3, 4. You can make it as that it even makes some sound. It doesn't really disturb the arrangement. It makes it even more groovy. So 1, 2 and 3, 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and you always do this on 2 and 4. And that's it. Let's do it with a track quickly. So it's really simple. But now, since we're playing this all over and over again, we need something which makes it more interesting. And that's what is the main topic of today's tutorial. I mean, it's the riff, but also make it sound more interesting. As I said at the beginning, you have the volume knob maybe on 50%. Oops. And then start to open up the volume more. See, now the distortion pushes more and more in. Or what you also can do is to, instead of doing the chicken pick, go to attack these strings with a pick, and then you have a more aggressive sound. Now it sounds more aggressive. And also from here we make a little single note line additional here, 3-5 from 3-0. Now we're building up. Now I'm gonna switch on the delay again. Build up, just do it dynamically, and then add more and more elements and get stronger into this mode, okay? And since we're playing the whole thing 4 times, you have 4 times time to build up the tension, okay? And then goes to the second part. Now comes the second part. 1 bar F5 to G5, F5 to E7 sharp 9, open E string, 7th fret, 6th fret, 7, 8. And what is important that it grooves, so you make the anticipation from the F5 to the G5 on 4 and so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you could do whatever you want here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. But move up on 4 and. Also you can go down over these 2 dead notes. And the E7 sharp 9, the low E string is anticipated again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this leads to the second part, and then you push it more and more and more. I mean, I speed it up to give more volume before that it doesn't get too boring for you, but the trick is to make it slow, build up, give more, attack more, and at the end you really then you really go into these strings and attack them hard and get this distortion really out. And that's the trick. And at the end we go back to That's what we call dynamic playing with distortion. Of course, you need a kind of a tube distortion for that, which that has the most dynamic effect, but it should work with any distortion. So let me play the whole thing now. What you also can do is start to get more and deeper into it by adding the wah. You know, when you get more and more to extreme, then suddenly you jump in with the wah. That can also work. So let me play the one chorus for you just to see that you see how it works, and then a few tricks for improvisation. And so on. Yeah, I jumped in with the wah that you see the effect. You can go from extremely laid back feel to extremely aggressive, and the point is to make a really nice curve there, okay? Same with the soloing. The more intense the song gets, the more intense you can also solo. Of course, you play here with the A minor pentatonic. Let me quickly go another sound. And then you also start to push, you know. Also go with the volume down. Keep it easy, soft. Start building up. I'm speeding up the effect now. Also get more intense in the vibratos. Also go higher. Now we go more high. And so on. The trick is, as I said, to keep the curves really on a smooth level. It can be go up like this, that's okay, but just make curves out of the whole thing. Yo guys, I mean, you cannot invent the wheel new. I mean, this stuff is played probably on thousands of jam sessions in the whole world, something like that or similar. But the thing which makes you the go-to guy and the standout guy is your ability to play dynamic, to keep things soft and laid back with your sound, and then start pushing and pushing and pushing. You can do it just with the normal amp without any additional effects, or if you have a wah, you can also jump in the wah and push it more. And it's in music, especially in blues rock, it's all about intensity, you know. The vibrato, the sound, but also with the rhythm guitar, even it's the same thing all over again. You can make it sound interesting by adding little things and it's about intensity. It's not about showing off. It's about going with the music, going with the flow, and also going with the emotions. And that's what this tutorial today is about. I mean, the riff is really simple. You probably already knew it. Probably not. I don't know. But it's something, really a common thing. But the more you can make those waves of dynamics, the more it becomes your own way of expression, and that's what makes it interesting for the listeners. Even if you're just starting up and stuff like that, if you get into the music, that's what it's all about, and that's a way of doing it. Good. One more to say. If you want to download this backing track where I play the rhythm guitar to practice soloing plus the tabs of the riff, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there with a premium membership account. It's well worth going there and becoming part of this little guitar community there. But you can also just create a free member account and have a lot of advantages and opportunities of easier search and stuff like that. Also connecting with other students of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Good. Being Dr. Pink or saying goodbye for today.